Hello students, good morning. Class 12th, first chapter matrix. In last video, we did some applications on matrix multiplication. Today again we are doing some more application. So the question first is, let a polynomial is given fx is equals to x square minus 5x plus 6. Then we have to find f of A, where A is any given matrix and it is of order 3 by 3, having element 2 0 1, 2 1 3, 1 minus 1 and 0. So how we will solve this question? So to solve this question, here polynomial is fx is equals to x square minus 5x plus 6. So to find this, we will put the given matrix at the place of x. So f of A will be equals to A square minus 5A plus 6. Here 6 is any scalar, so we can write it as 6 into I3. 6 will be multiplied with the identity matrix of order 3, because in the polynomial forms, matrix polynomial will be f of A, that is A square minus 5A plus 6I, and here I3 because the given matrix is of order 3 by 3. Now, to solve this matrix polynomial, first of all, we will find A square. So, what is A square? That is matrix A will be multiplied with itself A. So, find the product of these two matrices, that is A with A. So 2 0 1, 2 1 3, 1 minus 1 0 will be multiplied with itself 2 0 1, 2 1 3 and 1 minus 1 and 0. So how we will multiply? In last video also we discussed some application on matrix multiplication. So matrix multiplication is possible if in the first matrix number of column equals to the number of row in second matrix, then first we will satisfy the CR rule and then we will reverse this rule, that is we will multiply row with column. So the first row, this will be multiplied once with first column, then with second column and then with third column. So A square will be equals to 2 into 2, that is 4, 0 into 2, that is 0, 1 into 1, that is 1. So first row, first column, first row, first element, then first row, second column. So 2 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, that is 0, and 1 into minus 1, that is plus of minus 1. Again first row with third column, so 2 into 1, that is 2, 0 into 3, 0, plus 1 into 0, that is 0. Close this matrix. So this resulted first row 3 element. Then we will multiply second row with first column, then second column and then third column. So 2 into 2, that is again 4, 1 into 2, that is 2, plus 3 into 1, that is 3. Then second row, second column, so 2 into 0, 0, plus 1 into 1, plus 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3. Then first row, third column, so 2 into 1, 2, 1 into 3, plus 3 into 0, that is equals to 0. Then third row with first column, so 1 into 2, that is 2. Then minus 1 into 2, minus 2, plus 0 into 1, that is 0. Then first row, second column, so 1 into 0, 0, minus 1 into 1, that is minus 1, plus 0 into minus 1, that is 0. Then 1 into 1, 1, minus 1 into 3, minus 3, plus 0 into 0, that will be 0. So A square will be equals to, now add the elements. So 4 and 1, 5, minus of 1, 2, 4 and 2, 6 and 3, it will be 9, 1 minus 3, that is minus 2, 2 plus 3, that is 5, then 2 minus 2, that is 0, it will be minus 1, 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. So, in this way, we will find a square. The next step, that is minus 5 of a, that is the scalar multiplication of given matrix with the scalar 5. So, next step, step second, it was the step first in which we have calculated a square. Now, step second, how we will calculate, that is minus of 5a. Minus of 5a means minus 5 will be multiplied with the given matrix, that is given matrix is 2 0 1 and 2 1 3 and then 1 minus 1 0. So, multiply minus 5 with scalar multiplication means this scalar will be multiplied with the every element. So, minus 5 into 2, minus 10, 0, minus 5, minus 10, minus 5, minus 15, minus 5, plus 5 and 0. So, it will be equals to minus of 5a. This is your step second. In the step third, we will find (6i). So, 6i means 6 will be multiplied with the identity matrix of order 3. So, I3 will be 1 0 0 0 1 0 then 0 0 1. So, 6i3 will be equals to, now multiply 6 with every element. So, this principal diagonal element will be 6, otherwise 0. So, 6 0 0 0 6 0 and 0 0 6. This is 6i3. Now, we have to substitute the values from step first, step second and step third in the matrix polynomial fa is equals to a square minus 5a plus 6i. So, here what is a square? A square is here a square, this will be your step 4. Matrix polynomial f of a square is the given matrix, 5 minus 1 2 9 minus 2 plus 5 0 minus 1 minus 2 will be added with the given matrix because we multiplied with minus 5a. So, minus 5a is minus 10 0 minus 5 minus 10 minus 5 minus of 15, minus 5, plus of 5 and 0. Then 6 I3. So, what is the 6i3? 6i3 is plus of 6 0 0 0 6 0 0 0 6. Now, simply we have to multiply these three matrices, which will be equals to f of a, that is matrix polynomial of a. So, how we will add? All the three matrices are of order 3 cross 3. So, the corresponding element will be added, that is 5 minus 10 plus 6, then minus 1 plus 0 plus 0 and next element will be 2 minus 5 plus 0, then 9 minus 10 plus 0 minus 2 minus 5 plus 6 5 minus 15 plus 0, then 0 minus 5 plus 0 and minus 1 plus 5 plus 0, then minus 2 plus 0 plus 6. So, resulted will be 11 minus 10, that is 1, that is minus 1. 2 minus 5, that is minus 3. 9 minus 10, that is minus 1. Minus 7 plus 6, minus 1. 5 minus 15, minus 10. 0 minus 5 plus 0, that is minus 5. Minus 1 plus 5, that is 4. Minus 2 plus 6, that is also 4. So this is your f of a. In this way, we can find the matrix polynomial. So this is very important question for the exam point of view. One more problem on the basis of matrix multiplication. So the question is, if the given matrix A is, question number second, if the given matrix A equals to 3, 1, minus 1, 2, and A square and A square minus 5 of A square minus 5 of A plus 7 is equals to 0. Then we have to prove this. So how we will solve this question? Again, we have given one matrix of order 2 by 2 and one algebraic relation is given. A square minus 5A plus 7 should be equals to 0. Here this 7 is scalar and the given matrix is of order 2 by 2. So we will write here I2, that is identity matrix of order 2. So how we will solve this question? Here we have given that A square minus 5 of A plus 7I2 is equals to 0, that is 0 matrix. So in left hand side, first we will find A square, that is matrix A will be multiplied with the matrix A. Then minus 5 of A means scalar multiplication of the given matrix, and then 7 means 7I2, that is 7 will be multiplied with the identity matrix of order 2, that is also scalar multiplication of 7 with I2. And then we will add all these three steps and result should be equals to 0, that is 0 matrix. So first of all, to solve this, find step first A square. What is A square? A into A, that is matrix A will be multiplied with itself. So given matrix is 3, 1 minus 1, 2. So it will be multiplied with 3, 1 and minus 1, 2 itself. How we will multiply the matrices? Here both the matrices are of order 2 by 2. So first row will be multiplied first column, then first row with second column. So here पहली मैट्रिक्स की पहली रो को हम दूसरी मैट्रिक्स के पहले कॉलम से, सो करस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट 3 into 3 plus 1 into minus 1, 1 into of minus 1. That then first row second column, so 3 into 1 plus 1 into 2. Again, now second row with first minus 1 into 3 minus 1 into 3 plus 2 into minus 1. Then minus 1 into 1. So minus 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2. So A square will be equals to 9 minus 1, 3 plus 2, minus 3 minus 2, minus 1 plus 4. So it will be equals to 8, 5, minus 5, 3. So this is A square. Then we will find in step second, we will find minus 5a. So step second, minus 5a means scalar multiplication of minus 5 with the given matrix. So minus 5 into a. What is a? 3, 1, minus 1, 2. So scalar multiplication means this scalar minus 5 will be multiplied with every element of given matrix. So minus 5a will be equals to minus 5 into 3, minus 15, minus 5 into minus 1, plus 5, minus 5 into 2, that is minus 10. So this is minus 5a. Now in step third, what we will do? We will find 7i2, that is scalar 7 will be multiplied with the identity matrix of order 2. So 7 into i2, 1, 0, 0, 1. How we will write? Identity matrix of order 2, 1, 0, 0, 1. Now 7i2 will be equals to 7, 0, 0, 7. Now in this way we will find a square, minus 5a and 7i2. Now to prove the given condition, we will put a square, minus 5a and 7i2 in left hand side to this. So first of all, we will write a square. What is a square? A square is this. So now by substituting the values of a square, minus 5a and 7i2 in the given condition first. So a square is 8, 5, minus 5, 3, plus minus 5a. What is minus 5a? Minus 15, minus 5, plus 5, minus 10. Then plus 7i2. 7i2 means 7, 0, 0, 7 is equals to 0, 0, 0, because right hand side is 0, so it will be equals to 0 matrix. So now add all these three matrix. So 8, minus 15, plus 7. So 8, minus 15, plus 7, then plus 5, minus 5, plus 0, then minus 5, plus 5, plus 0, then 3, minus 10, plus 7. Right hand side is of 0, 0 matrix. In left, 8 and 7, 15, minus 15. So first row, first column 0, minus 5, plus 5, again 0, minus 5, plus 5, plus 0, again 0, 3 plus 7, 10, minus 10, 0, and right hand side is already 0, 0, hence proof. So in this way we can do this type application part. Now the next question is, if matrix A equals to 1, 0, minus 1, 7, then find k such that a square minus 8a plus ki is equals to 0. This question is very important question. Exam point of view, how we will solve this question? In the similar way of the question number second. First we will find a square, then we will find in step second minus 8a, that is minus 8 of multiplied with the given matrix, that is scalar multiplication, then ki. Ki means here k is any scalar and I is identity matrix of order 2 is equals to 0, that is 0 matrix. So solution, first we have given that what we have given condition is a square minus 8 of a plus ki2 is equals to 0. This is the given condition. So first of all we will find the left hand side, then we will put equals to the 0 matrix. So in step first of all we will find a square, that is matrix multiplication of given matrix with itself. So 1, 0, minus 1, 7 will be multiplied with 1, 0, minus 1, 7. That is integral power of matrix A. So A square will be equals to, first row will multiply it with first column and then with second column. Similarly, then second row will be multiplied with first column and then with second column. So first row, first column, 1 into 1, 1, plus 0 into minus 1, 0. Then 1 into 0, that is 0, plus 0 into 7, that is also 0. Then minus 1 into 1, that is minus 1, 7 into minus 1, that is minus 7, minus 1 into 0, 0, and then 7 into 7, that is 49. So A square will be equals to 1, 0, minus 8 and 49. Then in step second we will find minus of 8A, that is scalar multiplication of minus 8 with the given matrix 1, 0, minus 1 and 7. So it will be minus 8 into 1, minus 8, minus 8 into 0, 0, minus 8 into minus 1, plus 8, and minus 8 into 7, minus of 56. So this is the scalar multiplication of minus 8 with the given matrix. And how we will multiply the scalar? Always scalar is multiplied with every element in the given matrix. Now in step third, we will find Ki2, that is scalar K will be multiplied with identity matrix of order 2. So K into 1, 0, 0, 1. This is scalar identity matrix of order 2, 1, 0, 0, 1. So it will be equals to K, 0, 0, K. In this way, separately we have calculated A square minus 8 of A and then Ki2. Now we will put step first, step third and step second in left hand side. So here A square is so now substituting all the values, first A square is your 1, 0, minus 8, 49 plus of minus 8A. What is minus 8A? Minus 8, 0, plus 8, minus 56 plus Ki2, that is K0, 0, K. And right hand side is 0, that is 0 matrix of order 2 by 2. Now first we will solve the left hand side, then we will equate the corresponding element in left hand side by the equality of matrices. So in left hand side first, sum of these three matrices 1 minus 8 plus K. So minus 7 plus K, 0 plus 0 plus 0, that is 0, minus 8 plus 8, 0 plus 0, that will be 0. Then 49 minus 56, that is minus 7 plus of K will be equals to 0, 0, 0, 0. So now these two matrices are equal. So by the equality of matrices, first row first element will be equals to first row first element. So minus 7 plus K equals to 0. So K is equals to 7. So these are the some applications on matrix multiplication. In next video, we will discuss the principle of mathematical induction, transpose of matrix, skew matrix and some more applications. Thank you.